Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use Pictory for LinkedIn video marketing. So here is a effectively step-by-step guide. So you will just choose a niche, define your niche about your script to video, or you will just also upload your video. So use the script to video feature for written content or upload a video to enhance. So including engaging text overlays and captions for accessibility. So if I just move in LinkedIn like this job title for assistant brand manager, so I will just use chat gpt and I will just give them command to generate a short script on this title. So let's see. So you will just use chat gpt for the script. So if I just copy it easily, and I will just copy it and I will just move in the pictory.ai, and make sure you will just choose the text to video. So this is the transform your script into video. So you will just simply type, copy it, and you will just give them name of your like LinkedIn marketing video. So manage save changes, you will just tap to proceed, and let's see. So please wait while the video storyboard is being created.
Opening scene. Busy office environment. Narrator. Are you ready? Are you ready to take your career to the next level? Cut 2. A young professional walking into the office, confidently walking past the brand manager's desk. Narrator. Join a leading global brand as an assistant brand manager colons. Scene. The
So in this way you will just use Pictory for LinkedIn video marketing, and you will just also tab on left side visuals. So from here you will just add stock videos or images that resonate with the professional tone LinkedIn marketing video. So you will just keep the visuals clean and relevant to your message. You will also select the theme from here, and you will just select a template for your LinkedIn professional tone. So in this way you will just use Pictory for LinkedIn video marketing creation. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.